1 foot. Hop, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. 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 So now we're going to do 2 single time steps on 1 foot, followed by a single break on 1 foot. Hop, hop, tap, ball change. Hop, hop, tap, ball change. Hop, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. And again, if you're not sure how to do the time steps, go back and see my videos on single time steps on 1 foot. And hop, hop, tap, ball change. Hop, hop, tap, ball change. Hop, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change. Double and triple breaks on 1 foot are all the same, because as you can see, you're on the foot that would do the other part, so therefore all are the same breaks. There is only 1 break for time steps on 1 foot.